Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Baby Lincano Omar po, President ng Electoral Reform Advocate and Provincial Coordinator ng Paris Pastoral Council for Responsible Voting o PPCRV in the province of Tawi-Tawi. Alright, so this is day 1. No? Let me give my assessment sa day 1 na registration in the ARMM, lalong-lalo na dito sa Tawi-Tawi. There's this delay ng arrival of some registration paraphernalia. Kaya ang mga EOs and their augmentation and election officials were expected to leave on July 7, but this delay coupled with the strong winds and heavy rains hampers actually the on-time arrival to their area of assignment, specifically sa Mapun po and Taganak. Bukas pa sila mag-uumpisa ng kanilang registration because it is expected that tonight pa lamang sila makakarating from Mapun to Taganak. Second is itong power supply. Ang power interruption. This cannot meet the 200 expected registrants per day per voters registration machine. So it also delays our communication, our report to PPCRV regional and national headquarters. You cannot even text kasi wala ka na, nadadrain ka na, walang ilaw. And yung malfunction ng mga genset. In fact, in one municipality in Taungo, in Cebu, humingi na sila ng saklolo sa barangay, sa community para lamang makakome up with yung genset at nang hindi maantala yung registration in that area. In Bungao, we have identified 2 genset ng bagdown in Malasa and Panglima Anao Elementary School. Pero madali naman itong ma-augment dahil it's within the vicinity of Bungao. In fact, during the press con with Chairman Sixto Brillantes ng COMELEC, this is one of the many issues that I have raised sa kanya kung paano ma-augment at gaano kabilis yung augmentation na to in case may magbabag down sa other areas and municipalities. So, pinakita niya sa akin yung about more than 30 pieces of standby na mga genset and other registration paraphernalia. So, pang-apat yung presence po ng local barangay officials inside the voters registration center. Ako mismo, may sinita, hindi naman sinita in a manner na very diplomatic naman yung aking approach. I said, hindi ho pwede ang mga local officials kabilin-bilinan ho ni Chairman Brillantes na walang local officials within the voters registration machine malapit o kaya tumutulong, tatawag sa pangalan or whatever. Hindi ho sila pwede. You should be out dahil kung makakapagpasensya po yung mga COMELEC who are here with you inside the voters registration center, hindi ho ang PPCRV because we're going to jot down, we're going to list your names and report your names sa inyo pong presence. No? There are municipal councilors sa loob, there are barangay officials sa loob. Kunwari, syempre, tutulong yan. But of course, their presence in the area would definitely influence the thinking and the mind of our registrants. Alright? Syempre, nandyan po yung hakot system na observation ng ating mga volunteers from one area to another area. Practically, nako po, itong hakot system na to parang hindi na ho bago. This has been issue since time immemorial. Ang gaano lang kalantad yung pagkahakot ng mga ito ay yun ang issue. Alright? And then yung poor access, ako po talagang you would not believe ngayon alas 3 na ho ng umaga, pero ako po nasa computer pa and trying to send this first day report and assessment po para sa unang-una para sa PPCRV Regional and National Chairperson Madam Ambassador Henrietta Tita de Villa, tapos po sa inyo dito sa Vera Files. So more or less relatively peaceful ang nangyayari, kaya ako po lang nabanggit yung tungkol sa LGU officials na nasa loob. Medyo yun po ang parang problema ni Chairman Brillantes kasi nga may mga posters diyan sa area na nagsasabi na anong barangay ang pwede sa araw na ito at anong barangay yung pwede din sa araw na yon. Alright, so yun lang muna. But relatively it's peaceful, and you can see the excitement sa mga taong talaga pong gusto ng pagbabago. And well, you see boredom in the faces of our local officials. So hanggang dyan lang muna ang aking assessment sa unang araw ng registration nitong July 9 of 2012.